Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create a Snapchat account. Okay, let's go for it. Stop all, open up Snapchat, tap on sign up, tap on continue. Okay, yes, I want to access my contacts, allow. Okay, phone calls allow, and set your name. Okay, I just set my name. Okay, sign up and accept. Okay, and set your birthday. Okay, continue, set a password. Okay, verify your email. Okay, continue. Now here is options for you, like what is your mobile number. Okay, you can just skip this or you can just use this for verify, but you can do it later too. So I just skip this and skip this also. Okay, continue. That's what I want to show you. Now Snapchat is ready for use. Thank you for watching.